Hi guys, Pauline and Michael here. Today we're visiting Canyon de Chelly in Arizona. This was part of our 2025 road trip and our second visit here. This time we stayed in Kayenta and took a day trip out to Canyon de Chelly. It was approximately 60 miles each way. Every spectacular view you see in our video can be seen a short, mostly flat walk from our car. For more adventurous people, it's possible to hike down into the canyon to see the White House ruins. It's about 3 miles round trip and descends roughly 600 feet to the canyon floor. It's the only trail accessible without a Navajo guide. The hike is moderate to strenuous, but gives you a close-up view of the ancient Puebloan cliff dwellings. We started at Spider Rock Overlook and made our way around the rim of the canyon, stopping at every viewpoint. It took us about 2 hours. I will let you enjoy the views now, but please watch to the end, because we have added a real-time video of me at Spider Rock Overlook, so you can see how beautiful and peaceful it really was. Hi guys, Paul and Michael here. Well, Michael's not here actually. He's walked off further ahead of me to take some more pictures of this amazing place we're visiting today. It's the 5th of September 2025 and currently we are on the second part of our road trip. I think we're day 11 and we're at Canyon de Chelly. And there is nobody here, there is only us two. And it's a great way to see a national monument. It is absolutely breathtaking here. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can all see. Just look at this amazing view. This is Spider Rock. I don't think the video does it justice to see how high that is, that Spider Rock, and how high I am standing. It's absolutely crazy beautiful here. We'll pan right round. Oh, a noise, a bug. Go away, bug. How's that? Absolutely amazing.